First, let's see what Tack Renata from FHIA has for us today.
Another great example why the initial consultation is so important in helping make the best decisions for your home and your family is when we had this opportunity to meet with this homeowner, there were a lot of things for us to consider. One, they had the old bronze aluminum doors, which didn't provide any impact protection. It also didn't provide any energy efficiency. And I can tell you just by touching the frame right now how hot this aluminum frame is. And it's going to be a big difference now that we changed out to the vinyl frames because it's really not going to conduct that heat. That was one thing we considered. They also wanted to change from the bronze frame color-wise to the white. So that's going to make a big transformation in the look of the house. And we certainly upgraded the glass to great hurricane protection. So we ordered Solar Max technology in the glass, which is going to reflect the heat away from the home and make it a lot more comfortable, but also save them a lot of money on their energy bills. Love being able to stop by during this part of the installation because it's really important for homeowners to see exactly what goes on to do a proper installation to ensure that the home is safe. And this is a great example. When we removed the original doors that were in the opening, they were the old aluminum frame doors, and they had a very small piece of wood here. It's not going to provide anything really solid for us to go into when we put in the new frame. So we want to make sure what we're going into is as strong as the frame that we're putting in. Another thing that always gets mentioned when I stop by an installation is how happy the homeowners are that we put up the vinyl zip wall. Again, right now during COVID, it's even more imperative that we do it, but we've always done it and homeowners have always been appreciative because we keep the home a lot cleaner and we keep the work in a small contained space, but it's a little thing that homeowners really appreciate when it gets done. This sliding glass door here, we're a little further along in the installation. The frames were already set. All the wood bucks were put in. We're just about finished up here. I'm going to get out of the way so that they can get this thing done. And everything's looking great. The project's going perfectly. And I know the homeowners are going to love how everything turns out. Back to you, Elena.
Thanks, Tat.